Hello guys, this is KRN1000. So today I will share how to set KRN1000 use for 185 rupees connection. This is my connection. Follow my wiring A and B and link with SCMUS48i. Then we go to the setting, KRN1000. Please choose option info. Then go do RS-485 setting. Choose enable. Please remember your RS-485 setting here. After this you open DAQ Master software. Check for process, automation and select KRN1000. Then you can communicate with this recorder by this software. Okay, thank you.